The White House has launched its anti-opioid advertising campaign aimed at young adults. It's a multi-platform campaign in partnership with the Truth Initiative and the Ad Council that focuses on preventing and reducing opioid abuse in Americans ages 18 through 24. The first ads feature the stories of young adults and their journeys with prescription painkiller addiction. Earlier this year, President Donald Trump announced his administration would start the media initiative as part of a plan to help combat the opioid epidemic. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, last year an average of 115 Americans died every day from an opioid overdose.